Hey there, let's compare the process for setting a document password between Nuance Power PDF and Adobe Acrobat DC. Starting off with Adobe Acrobat, on the right side of the screen here we'll click on Protect. And then on the top bar here, we'll go under Encrypt and then Encrypt with Password. We'll go ahead and click Yes. And then up top we'll check Require a Password and then type in the password we want to secure it with. Now once we've done that, there's a few other options below here. And then we'll click OK. And then we'll type that password in again to confirm. Now once we do that, it warns us we need to save the document to make the changes permanent. So we'll go to File and then Save. Now let's take a look at this process in Nuance Power PDF. We have here the document we want to secure. So we'll go up to the Security tab and then we'll click on Manage Security and Modify. Now from this drop down here, we'll select Password Security, and then it'll bring us through a prompt to set up a password. We'll check this box here to allow opening by password, and then type in the password we want to secure the document with. Once we do that, we have another option here, and then we select OK. We'll type in the password one more time to confirm, and once we do, it reminds us we need to save the document for the security settings to be finalized. So we'll go up to File, and then Save. And it's that simple.